Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in on the Jazeera Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page and then tap on the check-in button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, you should add your booking reference in order to check in, and then your last name. So if you have booked a flight, you will be able to check in after adding your flight details. So all you have to do is typing in the booking reference number and then your last name. Tap on the search button and all of the information will be available at this section, so you will be able to finalize the process of checking in. You can also do this by tapping on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen, but that's basically the same. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.